Time for a challenge, extreme winter camping without tent or sleeping bag. I have building material left from last year renovation, so I'm gonna take these to the near forest and build a super shelter and survive the night there. Okay, this is the place I chose. So here is going to be the lean-to and here is going to be the fire. And this is the forest. Ooh. Okay, I built the bed part of this shelter, so I should put some planks in there, and there is one insulation board down there and just two top of those, so I think that's gonna be warm and it's nice to sit in here. And there's gonna be the fire. Is it too small? I don't know. This is important. Alright, then I need some kind of door to that lean-to, and this is this is my secret weapon. It's a heavy-duty zipper door. You know, if you are making renovation in some room and you don't want the dust come to another room, so you put this on the doorway. I'm just gonna put this like this. Okay, now it's ready. Look at this. Oh yeah! Yeah! A wise man once said, "Sometimes my genius is almost frightening." Write in comments who said that. I think this is too good. It's already warming in here. I just checked the weather forecast and it says it's gonna be -5 Celsius at night. That's like 23 Fahrenheit. And it sounds like a easy mode, doesn't it? So in Wednesday, today's Monday, it's gonna be -20 Celsius or -4 Fahrenheit. And I think I'm gonna wait 2 days and then come back here to sleep. We don't want to do things easy way. So I see you in 2 days. It's gonna be cold night, so it's important to gather a lot of firewood. You know that movie, Commando? Yeah! Timber! As you probably guessed, I'm gonna build a log fire. Or trying to build a log fire. I haven't done this before, so I don't know if this is gonna work. Electric chainsaws in winter. Borderline useless. those batteries dies like in 10 minutes in this cold weather. Alright, the log fire is ready. What do you think? It is going to work? And this is so the upper log doesn't fall in there. Keeps this stable. There's metal spikes in here. I hope it's close enough to the shelter. In case of that first log is too wet and doesn't burn, I'm making second pair. I didn't have to cut any living trees, so I think that's a good thing. I tried to build a reflector wall in here with this space plastic, but there is a little wind in here, but it's still too much for this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Okay, I'm ready for the night. I have my logs here, my spare logs, firewood, more firewood, and yeah, it's gonna be cold night, but I think I'm gonna survive it. Now I'm gonna go and change my clothes to more warm and then come back here. Alright, I'm back and it's dark already. Ooh. Few changes. I found my old tarp and I put in here so it could reflect some heat to the shelter. Perhaps, I don't know. That's kind of far away, but we'll see. And I put one more, is this tarp also, to the top of my shelter. Also this camouflage my place. Then, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to start the fire. Well, damn, it works. The big logs, they were too wet, so they didn't want to burn. I had to make big fire around those to get them in fire. I put these smaller ones next to it, so they are creating a lot of heat. Look at that. Yeah, juicy. Alright, let's check how warm it is. Outside minus 18.4 and inside plus 13 in Fahrenheit. Outside -1 and inside 55. It's nice to sit in here inside in warm, and I just crack one beer open, so not bad, not bad. By the way, I put blanket under me, so it's more nice to lay in here, more cozy. I'm trying to get some sleep. Good night. I don't see any animals in here. The fire's good. It's 1 a.m. right now. It's time to eat a little bit more. I have hot tea and crackers. Yes. Ooh, nice. God morgon. Night was alright. It wasn't cold at all. I added more wood every 2 hours or something. This thing shows max and min temperatures and inside 26 Celsius. Pretty good. That's 32 Fahrenheit. Outside was minus 26.4 or minus 15.5 Fahrenheit. So the supercenter works. What I learned from this trip, always use dry wood. It makes your life so much easier. That's all for now. And like always, thank you for your precious time. And if this is the only video you watch from me, no hard feelings, have a good life, win a lottery or something. And all the subscribers, I see you in the next one. Bye.